Who is your favorite actor in the movie?
My favorite actor in the movie is Tom Hanks.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
When did you first watch your favorite movie?
I first watched my favorite movie in high school.
How many times have you watched your favorite movie?
I have watched my favorite movie more than 10 times.
Why do you like your favorite movie?
I like my favorite movie because it has a powerful story.
Who recommended your favorite movie to you?
My friend recommended my favorite movie to me.
What is the best scene in your favorite movie?
The best scene in my favorite movie is the final escape.
How long is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is about 2 hours long.
Which language is your favorite movie in?
My favorite movie is in English.
Who directed your favorite movie?
My favorite movie was directed by Steven Spielberg.
What genre is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a drama.
What lesson did you learn from your favorite movie?
I learned never to lose hope from my favorite movie.
Which character do you admire the most in your favorite movie?
I admire Andy Dufresne the most in my favorite movie.
Would you recommend your favorite movie to others?
Yes, I would recommend my favorite movie to everyone.
How do you feel when you watch your favorite movie?
I feel inspired when I watch my favorite movie.
What kind of ending does your favorite movie have?
My favorite movie has a happy ending.
Do you know the soundtrack of your favorite movie?
Yes, I know the soundtrack of my favorite movie.
What snack do you like while watching your favorite movie?
I like popcorn while watching my favorite movie.
Which actor played the main role in your favorite movie?
Morgan Freeman played the main role in my favorite movie.
What makes your favorite movie different from others?
The deep message makes my favorite movie different from others.
How old were you when you first watched your favorite movie?
I was 15 when I first watched my favorite movie.
Do you remember the release year of your favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie was released in 1994.
Do you still watch your favorite movie today?
Yes, I still watch my favorite movie today.
Do you watch your favorite movie with subtitles?
No, I don't watch my favorite movie with subtitles.
What is your favorite dialogue from your favorite movie?
My favorite dialogue is "Hope is a good thing."
How does your favorite movie start?
My favorite movie starts with a courtroom scene.
How does your favorite movie end?
My favorite movie ends on a beach.
Do you think your favorite movie is realistic?
Yes, I think my favorite movie is realistic.
What emotion do you feel the most while watching your favorite movie?
I feel hope the most while watching my favorite movie.
Would you like a sequel to your favorite movie?
No, I think the story is complete.
What is the message of your favorite movie?
The message of my favorite movie is about freedom and hope.
Have you watched your favorite movie with your family?
Yes, I watched my favorite movie with my family once.
Is your favorite movie based on a true story?
Yes, my favorite movie is based on a novel inspired by real events.
What do you think about the villain in your favorite movie?
I think the villain is very cruel and powerful.
Do you know any quotes from your favorite movie?
Yes, I remember many quotes from my favorite movie.
Would you buy a DVD of your favorite movie?
Yes, I would buy a DVD of my favorite movie.
Do you follow the actors of your favorite movie?
Yes, I follow some of the actors on social media.
Which role would you play if you were in your favorite movie?
I would play the role of the main character.
Do you cry while watching your favorite movie?
Yes, sometimes I cry while watching it.
What do you like about the cinematography of your favorite movie?
I like the natural lighting in my favorite movie.
Is your favorite movie famous worldwide?
Yes, my favorite movie is famous worldwide.
What rating would you give your favorite movie?
I would give my favorite movie 10 out of 10.
Do you think your favorite movie will always be your favorite?
Yes, I think it will always remain my favorite.
What do your friends think about your favorite movie?
My friends also love my favorite movie.
What was your reaction after first watching your favorite movie?
I was amazed after first watching my favorite movie.
Did your favorite movie win any awards?
Yes, my favorite movie won many awards.
Do you watch interviews about your favorite movie?
Yes, I watch interviews of the actors and director.
Would you watch your favorite movie again this week?
Yes, I would love to watch it again this week.
Have you ever watched your favorite movie in a theater?
Yes, I watched it in a theater once.
Do you know who wrote the script of your favorite movie?
Yes, the script was written by Frank Darabont.
Would you like to visit the filming locations of your favorite movie?
Yes, I would love to visit the filming locations.
What costume do you like in your favorite movie?
I like the prison uniforms in my favorite movie.
Do you think your favorite movie is suitable for children?
No, I don't think it is suitable for children.
How do you describe your favorite movie in one word?
I'd describe my favorite movie as inspiring.
Do you like the music of your favorite movie?
Yes, I love the music of my favorite movie.
Have you ever dreamt about your favorite movie?
Yes, I dreamt about it once.
Do you discuss your favorite movie with friends?
Yes, I often discuss it with my friends.
How does the setting of your favorite movie look?
The setting looks old and realistic.
Would you watch your favorite movie during a flight?
Yes, I would watch it during a flight.
Do you think your favorite movie changed your life?
Yes, it changed the way I think.
What would you change in your favorite movie?
I wouldn't change anything in my favorite movie.
Do you know the budget of your favorite movie?
No, I don't know the budget of my favorite movie.
Would you like to meet the director of your favorite movie?
Yes, I would like to meet the director.
Do you watch your favorite movie on TV or online?
I usually watch it online.
What do you think of the ending of your favorite movie?
I think the ending is perfect.
Do you know the producer of your favorite movie?
Yes, the producer is Nikki Marvin.
How do you introduce your favorite movie to someone?
I say it is the best story of hope and freedom.
Do you think the actors did a good job in your favorite movie?
Yes, the actors did an amazing job.
How would you feel if someone disliked your favorite movie?
I would feel surprised if someone disliked it.
Do you like the costumes in your favorite movie?
Yes, the costumes look very realistic.
Would you like a remake of your favorite movie?
No, I don't want a remake of my favorite movie.
Have you ever watched your favorite movie late at night?
Yes, I watched it late at night once.
Do you have a favorite scene in your favorite movie?
Yes, I love the library scenes.
Would you watch your favorite movie on your birthday?
Yes, I would watch it on my birthday.
What would you say about the acting in your favorite movie?
The acting in my favorite movie is excellent.
Do you think the story of your favorite movie is original?
Yes, the story is original and meaningful.
Would you like to watch your favorite movie with your teacher?
Yes, I would like to watch it with my teacher.
Do you know the theme of your favorite movie?
Yes, the theme is hope and freedom.
Would you like to read the book of your favorite movie?
Yes, I would love to read the book.
Do you compare your favorite movie with other movies?
Yes, I often compare it with other movies.
What makes you emotional in your favorite movie?
The struggles of the main character make me emotional.
Would you buy a poster of your favorite movie?
Yes, I would buy a poster.
Do you watch clips of your favorite movie online?
Yes, I often watch clips on YouTube.
Do you think your favorite movie is too long?
No, I think the length is perfect.
Would you talk about your favorite movie in class?
Yes, I would love to talk about it in class.
Do you think your favorite movie is better than others?
Yes, I think it is the best.
How does the prison look in your favorite movie?
The prison looks very old and scary.
Would you like to visit the library from your favorite movie?
Yes, I would love to visit the library.
Do you think your favorite movie is unforgettable?
Yes, it is unforgettable.
Do you like the narration in your favorite movie?
Yes, I love the narration.
Would you share your favorite movie with your children?
Yes, I would share it with them when they grow up.
Do you think your favorite movie deserves more awards?
Yes, it deserves more awards.
Would you rewatch your favorite movie next month?
Yes, I would rewatch it next month.
What do you call your favorite movie in one sentence?
I call it the most inspiring story ever.